Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today I have my Allure Beauty Box for February 2022, so let's get into it and see what's in here. Allure Beauty Box comes out monthly. It is $23. You generally get, I think, 3 full-size products and $100 in value. The rest you'll have a mix of deluxe samples. We open it up and this is what it looks like. It has our paperwork that will tell us about everything that we have received. And there's a peek at what we've got. Reaching in, right on top, we have Bliss Bright Idea Eyes Holographic Foil Eye Patches. That sounds really cool. And that is what they look like. And the paperwork says, these soothing under eye patches with calming licorice root. Dang it. Starting over. These soothing under eye patches with calming licorice root extract and hydrating squalene make eyes look so bright. One editor skips the concealer after wearing them. It has a $4 value and you just put them on for 15 minutes if you're not allergic to licorice root, which is why I was laughing. So if you're new to the channel, I am allergic to licorice root and grapefruit and I don't use vitamin A, vitamin C, or any of the retinols. Just so you know. And by the way, it does look like this could have been a variation and we could have gotten the Skin Medica Instant Bright Eye Mask, which does not, by the way, talk about licorice root. Next out, we have Kristoff Robin Hydrating Leavein Mist with aloe vera. Perfectly detangled and shiny hair. I will do anything to perfectly detangle my hair. I think that's when I get a lot of my breakage, is combing my wet hair. And this is 5 fluid ounces. I would say it is full-sized if I were guessing. And this says, no product can take the place of a haircut, but this one comes pretty close. It's so good at making ends and lengths look healthy. One editor forgot she was due for a trim. The lightweight but incredibly nourishing blend of aloe vera and flaxseed extract adds tons of shine, even on damaged hair. I'll be trying this. And it has a $39 value. I have a lot of the Kristoff Robin products. I really enjoy them. Oh, that's such a fine mist. Oh my gosh. That could be a face mist. It smells, oh, guys, this smells like the salt scrub one that has that beachy smell. This, oh, it made my room smell like it. This has that same scent. Oh, I'm gonna love my hair smelling like this. Winner, worth the box right there because $23 for the box. This is $39 and I'm telling you right now, I'm gonna love that. Next out, oh, it's a little sample. It's an almond from L'Occitane. Oh, good it was in that little bag because it does feel a little tacky, like it leaked a little bit. This isn't a product that they're talking about. This is just each month we generally get like a bonus product and it's the one that has the ad in the back of the book. And that's what this is this time. Turn your routine into an experience. Take 10% off our #1 serum or shower oil. Use code ALLURE10. So if you like L'Occitane, ALLURE10 will get you 10% off. And this is the shower gel oil to try. Shower oil. It doesn't even say gel on it. I have used this a billion times. Though I will admit, can you guys see that? I'm sure, kind of sure, that it's because this just came in from, I keep my boxes out in the garage on a shelf and it's really cold out there. So I suspect that's the oil that has separated. It still looks like an alien in there. And reaching back for a minute, apparently the Kristoff Robin could have been a variation too. You might have gotten the Daily Hair Cream with sandalwood, which I know I love and highly recommend. And I lied. I'm just going back and telling all the truth. The L'Occitane shower gel is absolutely in the book. And it says, a hot steamy shower can be relaxing enough, but with the addition of this oil to the daily ritual, it's downright indulgent. The luxurious oil to milk cleanser is a rich blend of almond, grapeseed, and sunflower oils. It raises the bar on body wash and makes skin feel like satin. So I have used this before. Yeah, see, it's already settling to the bottom. I'm betting it's gonna unseparate. Unseparate? Rejoin? Anyway, next out I have a Solana MD Healthy Base Layer Vitamin D Enriched Skin Cream. That is what that looks like. And it says the retail is $54, but this also says that it's 120 ml, and this is only 15 ml. So I just took a minute and mathed it, and this is $6.75 worth, and it says this rich whipped cream infused with vitamin D melts into your skin instead of sitting on top and helps keep it simultaneously soothed and plump. A rare find. It contains some serious hydrating ingredients, coconut oil, and hyaluronic acid to make your skin radiant. Next out, I have a Rare Beauty, oh yay, Perfect Strokes Mascara Volume Universal in black. That is what that looks like. While I do love my Thrive Cosmetics very much, I do try all of the other mascaras that we get because I want to know about them, because if something better comes along, how will I know if I don't try? Look how pretty that top is. It's kind of raised and pretty. It's just a big pink tube. It says, hello Va Va Voom Lashes. This very appropriately named mascara leaves lashes fluttery, soft, and clump free. The long-wearing pitch black formula spiked with lash conditioning castor oil doesn't dry too quickly. You can easily go in with a second layer to up the drama, and the thick brush coats every lash with ease. It's why Selena Gomez's Rare Beauty is one celebrity beauty brand that our editors actually can't get enough of. And it has a $20 value. Let me show you what the brush looks like. Ooh, it's a big fluffy one. That is what that looks like. So this is another pretty darn good Allure. I think they might have managed to pull it together. We've had a few good boxes. Last time I did two. I think I did November and December together, and I think they were both good as I recall. Well, last out, Sunday Riley, as if to make my point. It is the 5-star retinoid niacinamide eye serum. Well, having just given that speech about the things I'm allergic to and the things I don't use, you guys know I'll be passing this along. It is a 6% retinoid complex. That is what it looks like again. I expected it to be bigger in that big box. I'm sure it's full size though, because it's an eye cream. This serum feels light and refreshing on under eyes and treats the delicate eye area to two of skincare's most trusted ingredients, retinoids, the powerhouse smoothers, and niacinamide, a buzzy antioxidant that helps brighten skin and fade redness. And it has a $65 value. You know, I don't use retinoids and that kind of thing because it really breaks me out, but I wonder if I just did it under my eyes, what would happen? I'm gonna give it some thought. Oh my goodness. Let me know if you have tried this, what you think. And if you use retinoids, let me know. Are there other things I have to avoid while I'm using them, like, you know, other makeups or the sun? If I decide to branch out there, what do I need to know? Okay, that was a darn good Allure box. We received the Sunday Riley 5 stars eye serum. That alone more than covers the cost of the box. The Kristoff Robin also covers the box. The Rare Beauty mascara, happy to have that and give it a try. The Solana MD skincare, sounds pretty good. The L'Occitane, where the oil has separated, I'm sure it's perfectly fine. I've used it in the past and like it. And the Bliss Bright Idea eye mask with licorice root. That is the Allure box for February. For $23 for the beauty box this month, you got approximately a $136.75 value. That's a darn tootin' good box. Let me know what you guys think. Thank you so much for coming by. I appreciate you taking the time to be here with me. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out. And I will see you guys really soon. I hope you're having a great day. Bye guys.